Ctenah gave up the hydraulic cartridge flow control valve manufacturer in India and Europe, but guaranteed AAK with 20 years of experience. Ctenah is from Russia. In early July of this year, he left a message on AAK hydraulic valve website. We mainly purchase the hydraulic cartridge flow control valves from India and Europe. Due to the prices in Europe and instability in India, we would like to find a long-term cooperative supplier of hydraulic cartridge valves from China. Based on my over 20 years of experience and multiple visits to AAK hydraulic valve website, I believe AAK is a good option. At present, we have a customized model that has been tested 3 times in the Indian factory, but the stability of the hydraulic cartridge flow control valve accuracy is still not solved. If you are willing to develop the Russian market, we can start working together with this hydraulic cartridge flow control valve. I really appreciate Ctenah's frankness and checked their company online. Their product line is very compatible with AAK, and the quality of the hydraulic cartridge valve is also particular. He seems to be very cheerful, which is the target customer base of AAK hydraulic valves. According to the hydraulic cartridge flow control valve samples sent by Ctenah from the original Indian factory and his original design drawings, the accuracy requirements are high, especially the 1 mm valve spool is difficult. Without unique skills, it's hard to maintain the stability of precision. For each batch of hydraulic cartridge flow control valves, there will be always a part that will leak. I think this is the reason why Ctenah was not satisfied with the 3 times of samples sent by the original Indian factory. I told Ctenah that the key to the accuracy of the valve spool is the polishing, which not only requires high precision grinding machines, but also segmented cutting techniques. After 40 days, AAK sent out 12 samples of the hydraulic cartridge flow control valves. Last week, Ctenah emailed us, stating that AAK sample accuracy meet the requirements, and there are another 17 models of hydraulic cartridge valves attached for AAK to quote. They will visit AAK factory by the end of October. I expect AAK to become his most stable hydraulic cartridge valve supplier in Ningbo, China. He used 20 years of experience as a guarantee, and I give back his choice with a successful sample. Sometimes business is simple. The precision machining of the hydraulic cartridge flow control valve spool is carried out by AAK, using Japan's Tsugami cylindrical grinding CNC lathe. This equipment was previously mostly used in the military industry, with the advantages of centralized control rods, the characteristics of no deviation in spindle rotation, and the stability and the seismic resistance of the plastic guide rail. It's qualified to challenge 1 mm accuracy. The equipment engineer first adjusts the cutting stroke of the equipment based on the hydraulic cartridge flow control valve spool, and then cuts the blank parts in sections, according to the contour of the spool. Using the entry method, the blank parts are finely ground in sections, leaving a capacity of 0.03. This is crucial, as leaving more or less will have an impact. When cutting by segment, there is one more detail that is also crucial. Adjacent to 2 segments, set a 5 mm overlap interval. Most hydraulic cartridge valve manufacturers do not delve deeply into these 2 details. which also leaves a potential problem for unstable accuracy. Finally, the vertical method is used for precision polishing, and the speed is controlled at 70% of the general speed. Although the efficiency is low, it's beneficial for the stability of accuracy. AAK hydronic cartridge flow control valves. 2 details, 2 methods. Challenging 1 mm accuracy. You can also give it a try.